Windcat 17 is a high-speed crew transfer vessel used in offshore wind farms. Its twin-hull design provides stability in rough seas, allowing technicians to travel safely. Equipped with a bow fender system, it can securely transfer personnel onto turbine ladders. Operating mainly in the North Sea, Windcat 17 plays a key role in maintaining renewable energy infrastructure. Windcat 20 is a high-speed crew transfer vessel operated by Windcat Workboats, built to support offshore wind farm operations. As part of the Windcat Mark III fleet, it features an aluminium catamaran design that delivers both speed and stability in challenging sea conditions. Measuring around 18 metres in length and capable of speeds up to 28 knots, Windcat 20 is designed to transport up to 12 technicians safely and efficiently between shore and offshore turbines. Its wide twin-hull structure provides a steady platform for walk-to-work transfers, allowing crews to step directly onto turbine structures. With the ability to carry equipment and make multiple daily trips, Windcat 20 plays a key role in keeping offshore wind farms running smoothly.
I feel the warmth inside my heart.
Windcat 16 is a compact high-speed crew transfer vessel operated by Windcat Workboats, designed specifically for the offshore wind industry. Built as an 18-metre aluminium catamaran, it combines stability and speed to safely transport up to 12 technicians, along with crew, to wind turbines at sea. With a cruising speed of around 25 knots, Windcat 16 is built for efficiency.